Hi, my name is Lanica McNair, and I've been coming to the Wellspring Clinic now for about 14 years. When I first came back in 2010, my vision was starting to get like hazy. I had had surgery in my my left eye. In my right eye, I was starting to see spots, and it was making me nervous, so I wanted to look and find something to help stop that one from happening to the RP taking over. So I looked online, and then that's when I found Dr. Yu, and I start coming here to help my vision to improve and maintain. Let's see, so I've been going here for 14 years. I've noticed like when I'm not consistent, then the vision does go down, and then that's when I feel like I have to come back and get my boost. And so now I'm just at the point where I come like twice a year to get my vision boosted so that I can see, so I can work. I work full time, 40 hours a week, you know, and I get along just fine. I said the only trouble I have with my vision is nighttime. You know, that's kind of like the RP taking over, but just the night vision. But other than that, I go shopping, do everything else, and I just don't do night driving. As far as RP, and you know, they say people go blind by 40. I'm over 40, so that is not true. I just feel like I need to maintain my vision. I feel like I can function and do everything fine. I mean, I might not be able to do it as well as I did it 10 years ago. I said, but I don't fear it. I don't think about going blind. I don't even think that that's possible until I get maybe like 80 or 90. But as for now, I mean, you have to be positive about life. Everything changes in life. Things don't stay the same. It's constantly changing. So you just kind of have to adapt. And part of that is your mindset. And if you find something that's working and you see progress, then continue to do that. Because if you don't, then, you know, what's the alternative? You're not going to see progress. It's going to go down, and then you're going to have doubts about things. So just have a positive mindset. I come for a week in February because that's the time that I have off of work. And then I come for 2 weeks in August, and I definitely have much more, it opens up my peripheral a lot more when I come for 2 weeks. But it helps also when I come for just that week, like I do in February. It helps open up the peripheral too. So that's part of that, maintaining the vision. I think it's very important to maintain your vision. Until there's a cure for RP, then you have to do something. You can't just sit there. If you don't maintain it, then the result is that your vision will go down, and yeah, you will probably eventually go blind. And to stop that, then you continue to come to acupuncture, Dr. Yu, like I do twice a year to help that. I see improvement. So when you see something's working, then you just continue. Otherwise, you're going to lose that vision, and it's very hard to get it back once it's gone. Well, I mean, it's easy about encouraging yourself to continue. It's just if it's working. I mean, there's been times where I've been sick, and when you're sick, and then your body's fighting something, so it can't really help improve your eyes as much, but I still come, you know. Because I know that each boost, each time is going to be helpful to me in my body, in my eyes, to help maintain what I need in order to function. I've been coming here for 14 years because, yes, I do believe that it can treat it. It helps me maintain what I need to be able to function in life. So it definitely helps with RP. If you haven't tried it, then try it. Yeah, there was a period where I couldn't do the herbs because of other medicine that I was on for something different. And now that that's under control, then I can do the herbs. So the herbs have been helping too with the maintaining. Well, I mean, to be very honest, my motto is no pain, no gain. Sometimes it hurts and sometimes it doesn't, but in order for my peripheral to open up, then I do have to have the acupuncture, and it's not always, pretty or painless. So if you want, like I said, no pain, no gain. If you want to be able to have gain and you want to maintain and you want your vision to improve, then that comes with it. Oh, well, I mean, this is really good for meeting other people that have the same eye disease. I've met people from all over the world. So it's really good to, talk to them to see how it affects you, because RP affects people differently. So what it does, how it affects my eyes is going to be different than the person next to me. But it's good to see, what they're doing and how they're maintaining. And it's also encouraging to see people again and coming back.